In this video, I'm going to explain you about AppSource. So, what is an AppSource? An AppSource is an online marketplace to browse, try, buy business apps and services. It's basically an app store for Microsoft products. The products can range from Power BI to Power Apps to Dynamics 365. So the store has more than 6,000 apps currently. These apps are validated and vetted. These apps are built by Microsoft or any other vendor or any independent service vendors who has capability and expertise in specific areas of technologies. So the apps basically will help an individual or an organization to augment their existing investments in the licenses which they have procured by Microsoft. Now, the different categories of apps which exist within the app source are Microsoft 365, Power Platform, Dynamics 365, Power BI, and many more. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a demonstration of that. So let me go into make.powerapps.com site. And here, what you can do is if you navigate to solutions, so then uh, uh, you will be able to see one button called as open app source. Okay, now here, if you click on open app source, it will take you to a Microsoft site. Okay, so which this is like an app source marketplace for all the Microsoft tech related applications. Now there is another way to navigate to this site, is like if you are in a Power Platform admin center. Okay, and say, let's assume if you going to select any one environment. Okay, and under resources, if you click on Dynamics 365 apps, you will see an open app source button. So I'll click here as well. Okay, so there are multiple ways to navigate to the app source. Okay, now let's focus on this app source interface. Okay, so the app source interface allows you to see all the apps based on categories. So as you see, the categories are AI, machine learning, analytics, collaboration, commerce, so on and so forth. Okay, it is also categorized based on industries like automotive, defense, education, non-profit, and IGO, or maybe it is based on products. Okay, so if you just want to see the apps related to Power Platform, so if I click on Power Platform, I'll be able to see all the apps which is related to Power Platform. Okay, now I can see four apps over here, but if I click on see all Power Platform apps, I'll be able to see a whole bunch of list. I can even search the app source. I can put some filters around it, like by selecting the categories. But if I want to just see the free trial provided by the apps, if I want to see the pricing models. Okay, now the pricing models are uh, uh, categorized into free and paid. So there are some apps which are free, and if you want to know more about that app, you can directly contact the provider. So as you see here, say one of this app, this is like say Gantt Power BI Visual. Okay, so this is by Microsoft Corporation. Now similarly, there might be other providers who might be providing those apps. Okay, so as you see here, XViz LLC provides this visuals. Okay, now what all things you can do over here is like, one is you can go into the apps, and then you can explore all the services. Okay, like Power Platform, Dynamics 365, and then within that you can further drill down. Okay, so if I am in Power Platform and if I just want to see Power Apps related apps, I can click on that and I'll be able to see these apps. Now once you see this app, what you can do, you can either click on get it now button if it is available, or sometimes you might see some different buttons for different apps, like test drive if you want to just test it for some time, or for some apps it will be just contact me. So you'll be able to contact that particular provider. So that's it, folks. That's all about Microsoft Apps Force. Uh, you can explore all the different apps available within the Power Platform environment and try to evaluate and see what value it brings to you or your organization. Thank you.